Question number 1. A frog has fallen into a well. It is trying to come out, and every time it leaps onto the wall of the well, it goes up by 20 centimeter and slides back by 5 centimeter. If the height of the well is 75 centimeter, then how many times should the frog leap to reach the top of the well? Let's look at the solution. Step number 1. The distance covered by frog when it leaps once is 20 centimeter. Distance the frog slides downwards is 5 centimeter. The total distance traveled in a leap is, when you subtract 5 centimeter from the 20 centimeter, we get the answer as 15 centimeter. So that is the total distance traveled by the frog in one leap. The total distance the frog should cover to reach the top is 75 centimeter. So now we have the final step to find the answer. That is, the number of leaps required is 75 divided by 15, which is equal to 5. That is, the frog has to leap 5 times to reach the top of the well. Question number 2. Sushil went to the park from his home. In the park, he walks 620 meters. Then he returns back to home. Altogether, Sushil covered 940 meters. What is the distance between home and park? Let's see the steps. Step number 1. Total distance covered is 940 meters. This involves the distance from Sushil's home to park and then whatever he walked in the park and then the distance of coming back to the home. The distance he walked in park is 620 meters. Then the distance walked while going to park and returning home alone is 940 meter minus 620 meter. That is the distance he spent in the park alone, which is 320 meter. Now, this 320 meter is the distance that Sushil covered while going to the park and then coming back to the home. So, the distance between his home to park would be half of that. That is 320 divided by 2, 160 meter. Question number 3. A fan rotates 180 times in 10 minutes. Find how many times it rotates in 1 hour and 20 minutes. Let's look at the steps. Step number 1. Number of rotation in 10 minutes is 180. So let's find out how many times does it rotate in 1 minute. So the number of rotation in 1 minute is equal to 180 divided by 10, which is 18. Total minutes in 1 hour 20 minutes is 60 minutes plus 20 minutes, totally 80 minutes. So now to find out how many rotation does it do in 1 hour 20 minutes is 80 into 18, that is 1440. Question number 4. Rohit is twice as old as Rashmi. Prithvi is 9 years younger than Rashmi. Prithvi is 15 years old. Find the age of Rohit. So let's go to the steps. Age of Prithvi, that is already given, 15 years. Age of Rashmi, that is age of Prithvi plus 9, because Prithvi is 9 years younger than Rashmi, which is 15 plus 9 is equal to 24 years. Now, age of Rohit is twice the age of Rashmi, which is 2 into 24 is equal to 48 years. Let's go to the question number 5. Find rupees 29.80 plus rupees 33.45 plus rupees 47.10 in paisa. So step number 1, find rupees 29.80 in paisa, which is, first we convert the rupee part into paisa, then add it to the paisa. That is 29 into 100 because 1 rupee is 100 paisa. So 2900 paisa plus 80 paisa, which is 2980 paisa. Follow the same steps for rupees 33.45 and rupees 47.10. And now the final result is sum of all these three, which is 11,035 paisa, or rather 11 rupees 35 paisa. Thanks guys for watching the video.